Hello people, this is Commander Jerry, your host for this video, and in this video I will give you the guide how to solve a CTF challenge. And for this video I pick up CTF challenge from a platform PicoCTF.org. So let's start. The challenge name is Hash Crack, that is of category cryptography, and it's an easy level challenge. So let's start solving it. So at first, let's read the description. A company stored a secret message on the server which got breached due to admin using weakly hashed passwords. Can you gain access to the secret stored within the server? Additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. This challenge has 3 hints. Let's have a look of those hints. So the first hint is understanding hashes is crucial. So this hint points toward that in this challenge we are going to face some hashes and we have to crack those hashes. Uh, the hint number 2 is, can you identify the hash algorithm? Look carefully at length and structure of each hash identified. This hint leads us towards understanding or identifying the hash, that what type of hash it is. Is it a MD5 hash, SHA-256 hash, or any other hash? Okay, just by looking into the structure and length of the string. And the third hint is tried using any hash cracking tool. That means it is instructing us to use a tool, hash cracking tool. So for this particular challenge, I am going to use a hash cracking tool that is available online, that is CrackStation. That tool maintains a database of hashes and their corresponding ASCII values or cracked hash. Okay, so that allow us to crack the hash in less duration. So let's have a look of CrackStation. Here is the website CrackStation. This is the look and feel of CrackStation. It's a basic look, but it does the work very well. Here we have to put our hashes, then we have to fill this captcha, and then the click button, crack hashes, then it will give the ASCII value for our hash. So I have started the CTF challenge. We can access the server with the help of netcut. Copy this command, open the command prompt. Oh, sorry, this is terminal. Um, Paste the command in the terminal. This is the hash that we have to crack. So copy this hash with the help of shortcut key Control Shift C. You then go to CrackStation, paste the hash, captcha, traffic lights here, here, and here. After verification, click crack hash, and here is the result. We have the ASCII value or the text corresponding to our hash. Copy this, paste in the terminal, Control Shift V, press enter. Oh, the flag is here to be revealed. Crack this hash. Copy the hash, Control Shift C. Then go to the same site, paste it, follow the same procedure, and get the hash. Click on crack hashes, and then here is the second hash cracked string. Copy it, paste it in the terminal, Control Shift V. There is one thing that you should keep in mind, that don't copy the spaces, because if you put spaces in your password, then it will simply say bye. I will show you. We got another hash. You have to crack it. Just copy the hash, Control C, Control Shift plus C. Then paste the hash. Follow the same procedure. Motorcycle. Next. You may feel irritating by filling these captchas. It's so boring. I know, but you have to do it. Click on crack hashes. And here is the password. Copy it and paste it in the terminal. What happens when you paste some spaces here? It will simply say bye. I don't want to repeat all these things again. That's why I'm not going to show you that. But you can try. If you paste spaces or extra spaces in the field of password, then it will just say goodbye, and you have to repeat all the steps from starting till the end. Okay, so keep this thing in your mind. Now we got the flag. Okay, just copy it, Control Shift C, paste it here, and go. Hooray, we have solved this challenge. Okay, I hope you like it, and if you have any further questions, please let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button, and we will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.